Hi again, I am Aval Sonigra from Humantis. In the last video, we saw the key parameters for evaluating a RAG system. In this video, we will understand how each and every evaluator works. Before knowing each and every evaluator, let us understand how to create a dataset which we'll be using to evaluate the RAG system. We'll be using client class of LangSmith SDK to create the dataset. The dataset will contain certain question answer pairs where the question input will be given to the system and the answer of the system will be judged against the reference output or the reference answer which we have provided here. We'll create the dataset under the following name. All the evaluations will be listed under the following dataset. This is how the question answer pairs are stored on the LangSmith platform with input question and the reference output which we have stored.